Finally figured out the one pilot operation with the Zenmuse and my A2 Spreading Wings S900. So basically, in order to get enough channels, what I did is I came in here to functions menu. I did install my R6014 HS just so I can take advantage of the digital channels. And basically, I assigned SD to DG1, and this is now my mode switch, or my record switch, I'm sorry. Then the SH, shutter, and then my trims, my right slider is my pan, my tilt, as you can see, and then the left switch over here will be my pan, as you can see it turning. Sorry, it's set up for high sunlight. So in order to get this all to work, for the gimbal, I used an R6014 HS. See that, but I used for the channels 9 through 12, and then I used DG1 there for my mode switch, as you can see right there. So any way I can get it to work with 5 channels on there was the easiest way for me. Then of course my A2, I used a Futaba 6208 S-Bus connector, so you just have one wire going to receiver to the flight controller, and this works perfect for me. I will show you the switches in a second. In this part, you'll see how I'll have all my switches here for everything that we need. Fail-safe switch works, which will be right here. Yes, and I did use the SA switches with reposition, but that is fine for me. Standby, obviously, when you go down there, push it down to the bottom, it's going to start. So we got that. The orientation control, which I'm using SB for. I use point of interest because I take photos of specific landmarks. You can change that obviously to whatever you want. If you want a course lock, I use POI, point of interest. And the GPS, obviously we know that works. See here. I'll show you the channels mapped out here. Okay, then your gear. You can see I used E for that, as you can see, and that works fine. So all your channels are mapped out here. You have 1 through 8, which are for the A2, and then we have 9 through 13, which will, well, 9 through 12, and then 13 being the digital, which won't show up here. So, have any questions, feel free to email me, Mike at aerialinventions.com. Thanks.